All right, guys, this is going to be an unboxing. I got some stuff from Total Gym today. So we're gonna unbox it to see quality. I'll be using it for some workouts as well. And I got something from Amazon. This is from Sliding Bench Trainer. Let's open this up and see. These are gonna be two of the swivel. Let me open it up so you can see what it is. It's pretty much so you can use these with the handles for the Total Bench or Total Gym, and they go on like this. So this makes it easy for you to rotate the handles without having to worry about your cables getting twisted up. I got two of these swivels. The company's name is Pace Earth. So I am excited to use this. That was the first thing. All right. Check that out. So awesome. This is for hammocks. It's a hammock swivel pretty much so that it helps support the weight of the hammock so it doesn't fall. Second thing right here, this is the same thing from Total Gym. Hopefully I look good in the video here. It's not too low. Yes, so these are the traditional handles that you'll get. The old school Total Gyms would have these, and now I have them too. So you're gonna see it has this carabiner right there, but I can just switch it out for a different one because I don't really like these ones right there. But for demonstration purposes, I will, let me see, open this up so I can show you. See, this is the pain with these because you have to unscrew them. Perfect. Put this in there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this, guys. I also have some weight bars. I think I'm missing still some stuff. They haven't sent me everything. It'll probably come tomorrow, so I'll do the last one later. But check it out. And then I'll do videos where I can actually show this in action. But this is so you can train. These are the handles for the Total Gym. So this is good for moving your hand around. Super easy, comfortable. Check that out. So I got that. These right here are going to be the weight bars. I got the weight bars, including the clips. This would be for the holes on the Total Gym XLS so that I can add additional weight, bands, or do what Skylar King, he's the best with the hacks, did. Perfect. So these are the weight bars, but I do not see my clips. That might be in another package. Let's see. They did not send me the clips. Nope. I'll check the other one. Let's see. Oh, this is perfect. So I could have just gotten like a 1-inch bar and it probably would have worked fine, but this one, it's built for the Total Gym. It's like has the chrome to it and has these little rubber tips, or plastic tips rather. Fits perfectly for the Total Gym. These ones, I believe they were like $25 to get them with the actual clips on the ends. It was an extra $5. Those are the ones that I got. Last but not least is going to be the extra large leg press plate. So let's see. I feel like a kid. Check this out. Perfect. So this is going to be the big size leg press plate, or the foot plate for you to do squats. It's called the like squat stand. Inside the box, what else do I have? Hey, they put the clips. So these are going to be the clips for you to add 1-inch weights, or you could put bigger 2-inch weights like I have up here. This is so you can add extra resistance to your Total Gym. Let's test it out. Perfect. Check this out. This is this right there, and then it just goes on. And then I'll hold that in place. How awesome is that? And that's pretty much it, but there is one more piece that I'm missing. So on my Total Gym, I have this leg curl attachment. It's like a 2-piece wing attachment. I ordered that one. That one hasn't come yet, but hopefully I'll get that one soon. Hope you guys like this little unboxing. Again, I have the weight bars they have on TotalGymDirect.com. It came with the clips as well. I got the handles and custom swivels from this company called Pace Earth, courtesy of Sliding Bench Trainer. Uses link on his YouTube channel, and the extra large squat stand. And I'm almost done with my collection. I'm very happy with my gym, and I look forward to showing you guys some more videos later on. Thanks for watching. Take care. Talk to you soon. And if you guys are in the Culver City area in California, check it out. Six Packs Gym. One of my friends owns this gym. Awesome gym. Take care, guys. Peace out.